This is Interview Reality. Real English, real conversation.
So, I need a taxi. Easy, right? But wait, how do I tell the driver where to go? How do I know the price is fair? What if they take a long road and charge me too much? In a new country, even a short taxi ride can feel scary. If you've worried about this too, stay with me.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Interview Reality. Real English for real life. I'm Emma. In our last video, David arrived by train and had a lovely dinner. Now it's late, he's tired, and he needs a taxi back to his hotel. I'll be the taxi driver. Today, you'll learn exactly what to say, how to tell the driver your destination, how to ask about the price, and what to do if something doesn't feel right. Slow and simple. Let's go. Good evening. Hop in. Where can I take you tonight?
Hotel. Parkview. Go.
No problem, but let me give you a smoother way to say it. You can tell me, "Could you take me to the Parkview Hotel, please?" That sounds clear and polite. Weak. Hotel. Parkview. Go. Strong. Could you take me to the Parkview Hotel, please?
Okay, could you take me to the Parkview Hotel, please?
Perfect. The Parkview Hotel, I know it well. Do you know the address, or should I just take the main road?
I don't know the address, sorry. It's near the big bank, I think. The yellow one.
Ah, yes, near the Yellow Bank. I know exactly where that is. No problem at all. Let's go. Please put on your seatbelt.
Oh, yes, of course. Seatbelt. Safety first.
Good. And do you have any bags? I can open the trunk if you need.
Just this small one. I'll keep it with me, thank you. It's light.
No problem. If you ever have big bags, you can just say, "Could you open the trunk, please?" The trunk is the storage space at the back of the car. Open back. Bag inside. Could you open the trunk, please?
The trunk. Good word. Could you open the trunk, please? I'll use that next time with my big suitcase.
Okay, we're driving now. Can I ask, how much will this taxi ride cost?
Great question, and always ask it. You can say it two ways. How much will it cost? Or, do you use a meter? A meter is the little machine that shows the price as we drive. Weak. How much money? Price. Strong. How much will it cost? Or, do you use a meter?
Got it. Do you use a meter?
Yes, I do. You can see it here on the dashboard. Right now, it says $5, and it goes up slowly as we drive. To your hotel, it should be about $15. The meter is honest. It shows the real price, so you never pay too much.
$15. Okay, that sounds fair. Thank you for telling me.
Of course. And here's a tip for travelers. If a taxi has no meter, always agree on the price before you start. Just say, "How much to the hotel?" and agree first. That way, no surprises.
That's smart. Agree on the price first. I'll remember that for next time.
And one more useful thing. When you arrive, you can ask, "Can I pay by card?" Some taxis only take cash, so it's good to check early.
Oh, that's important. So, can I pay by card in your taxi?
Yes, you can. I take both card and cash, but many small taxis only take cash, so always carry a little cash when you travel, just in case.
Good advice. I have some cash with me tonight. That's a relief.
So, are you visiting the city or do you live here? You sound like a traveler.
I am traveling. First time here. The city is very beautiful.
It really is. How long are you staying? And tell me, is there anything you'd like to see while you're here?
3 days. I want to see good places. What is good here?
Let me help you ask that more naturally. You can say, "What's worth seeing around here?" Or, "Do you have any recommendations?" Taxi drivers know all the best spots. Week. What is good here? Strong. What's worth seeing? Or do you have any recommendations?
Nice. Do you have any recommendations?
Absolutely. The old town is beautiful in the morning. The Riverwalk is lovely at sunset. And there's a famous market on Saturdays. Great food, great people. You should go.
That sounds wonderful. The old town, the river, and the market. And is the food expensive there?
Not at all. The market is cheap and delicious. Try the street food. It's the best in the city. And if you want to ask a price, just say, "How much is this?" Simple and clear.
How much is this? Perfect! I'll use that a lot tomorrow. Thank you so much. You're a great guide.
Thank you. I've driven this city for 10 years. I know every corner, every good restaurant, every quiet park, every nice view.
Wait, we just turned away from the bank. Excuse me, is this the right way to the hotel?
Good eye and good question. Don't worry, there's road work on the main road tonight, so I'm taking a small side street. It's actually faster right now.
Oh, okay. But will it cost more money? I'm a little worried.
That's a very fair worry, and you're right to ask. Let me teach you the polite way. Will this route cost more, or is this the fastest way? A good driver will always explain. Weak, why this road? More money? No good. Strong, will this route cost more? Is this the fastest way?
Okay. Will this route cost more?
No, it won't. It's about the same, maybe even a little cheaper because we avoid the traffic. See, we're already back near the yellow bank. Your hotel is right there.
Oh, you're right. There's the hotel. Sorry, I was worried for nothing. I think I worry too much when I travel.
Never say sorry for asking. It's smart to check, and it's normal to feel careful in a new place. Always ask politely, and a good driver is happy to explain. Here we are, the Park View Hotel, safe and sound.
Perfect. So how much is it?
The meter says $14, even a little less than I said.
Great. Here's $20. Please keep the change. Thank you for the lovely ride and the tips.
Oh, how kind. Thank you so much. Enjoy the old town tomorrow. Have a wonderful stay. While David walks into his hotel, let's review the 5 phrases from today. These are simple, but they work in any taxi anywhere in the world. Learn them well, and you'll never feel nervous in a taxi again. Number 1. Could you take me to, please? The clear, polite way to tell the driver your destination. Just add the place. Number 2. Do you use a meter? The meter shows the price as you drive. If there's no meter, agree on the price first. Number 3. How much will it cost? Always ask before or early in the ride, so there are no surprises at the end. Number 4. Do you have any recommendations? Drivers know the best spots. This question opens up great travel tips. And number 5. Is this the fastest way? Polite and useful if you're not sure about the route. A good driver will explain. Now say all 5 out loud. Practice before your next trip. Your mouth needs the reps, not just your ears.
I made it back safely. And you know what? I was worried about that little detour, but I just asked politely and everything was fine. A taxi ride in a new country isn't scary at all when you know what to say. I even got some great travel tips from the driver.
Exactly. You handled that beautifully, David. If this video helped you feel ready to take a taxi in English, please give us a like. It takes 1 second and it really supports the channel and helps more learners find us. And subscribe to Interview Reality so you don't miss what's next. Because tomorrow morning, David wants to explore, so he heads out to do some shopping. But he sees something he loves, and the price is high. Can he ask for a better price in English? Can he bargain politely without being rude? You'll find out next time.
Shopping and bargaining? Ooh, that sounds fun. and a little scary. See you in the next one.